Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi. In this case, what we're going to have is a mixture of one chloropropane over here with two chloropropane in a 50-50 relationship that is going to react with sodium in order to generate different alkanes. What this is called is the Wurtz reaction, and in general, it is employed to generate symmetric alkanes. That is, we're going to add two equivalents of Rx plus two equivalents of sodium. That is going to produce Rr plus two equivalents of sodium plus X minus. So remember that R over here in organic chemistry is going to be the substituent that we are going to take into account. So whenever we're going to have a mixture of alloalkanes, what is going to happen is that we're going to have the cross reaction among them. So first of all, I'm going to look at the symmetric reactions of one chloropropane and then two chloropropane, and then we're going to look at the reaction of the mixture of both of them. So the first one, let's take two equivalents of one chloropropane, that is chlorine. Whoops, let me just draw it in the same way that I drew it before. 1, 2, 3 carbons plus two equivalents of sodium. What this is going to generate is we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons over here. And of course, two equivalents of sodium plus, chlorine minus. So the first alkane that is going to be generated is going to be hexane. Now, the other symmetrical reaction coming from two chloropropane. So we're going to take two equivalents of this chloropropane plus two equivalents of sodium. What it's going to generate is also an alkane that is going to have six carbons, but in this case, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In this case, this is the alkane that is going to be generated. And if you want to name it, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a butane. So it is going to be 2, 3 methyl, 2, 3 dimethyl butane. And this is going to generate as well two equivalents of sodium plus, Cl minus. And finally, we're going to have the cross product. For the cross product, I'm going to take a little bit more of space because we need to draw the chemical structures. So in the crossed or asymmetrical reaction, we're going to have two chloropropane reacting with one chloropropane, 1, 2, 3, plus two equivalents of sodium, and this is going to generate. Imagine that you're just taking away the chlorine-chlorine bonds over here, you're breaking them, and you're essentially adding one section to the other. Okay? So the product that is going to be generated is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So this is the alkene that is being generated. In this case, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is going to be 2-methyl pentane. And of course, two equivalents of sodium plus, Cl minus. Just for sake of completion, over here the name would be 2, 3 dimethyl butane. And that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.